G'day viewers, Troy from Troy's Digital Arts channel. Here's the latest little update on my His Master's Voice F5A6 50s black and white TV restoration. I'm trying some of John's suggestions in the notes here. I'm at the moment wanting to get the horizontal linearity looking good. So I'm trying the second part of his notes here first, which is check for 180 volts peak to peak waveform at the 6CM5 horizontal output valve grid, and it's illustrated on the circuit diagram. So the test point is at the junction of these two resistors here, and one of them goes to the horizontal output valve, the 6CM5, and that's 180 volt peak to peak there, and you got what looks to be like a partial sawtooth but with a flat top and a gap at the bottom. And I'm pretty much getting that, and I'm getting about 180 volts peak to peak, give or take a few millivolts, or perhaps a volt or two. Alrighty, so that looks to be good enough. Looks pretty much like the waveform there. I really cannot say for sure whether the time base of the flat top and the bottom is correct or not, but it pretty much should be. Otherwise, I'd have horizontal issues, obviously. But anyway, the next step is to, reading over his notes here, to well, he says usually the horizontal linearity control is adjusted for minimum cathode current for the horizontal output valve 6CM5. There's a test point provided across the 1 ohm cathode resistor 137. He says connect a crow across the resistor and adjust for minimum voltage. I'm assuming that I'm adjusting the linearity control variable inductor to get the minimum voltage across that 1 ohm resistor, so that'll be the next thing to try. I'm now going to switch off the set, put the crow leads across the 1 ohm resistor and adjust for minimum voltage, and I'll get back to you with the results. Okay viewers, I just put my multimeter leads across the 1 ohm resistor. Just realised I put them around the wrong way, so hence a negative voltage. Troy. Anyhow, yeah, this the actual circuit layout kind of bamboozled me a bit because it doesn't match up to the circuit diagram. That 470k resistor is going from pin number 6 down to ground instead of coming off a resistor that's connected to pin number 5. So yeah, that's going straight down the ground, and I don't see a 18k anywhere or anything. So, but anyway, I found the 1 ohm resistor. It is connected to pin number 8. I actually thought that was pin number 6, but it's most likely pin number 8, which is the cathode. Anyhow, I'm going to adjust the horizontal linearity control for minimum voltage, and I'll let you know how I go. Okay viewers, I've adjusted the linearity control till I've got as minimum voltage as possible, which is 0.111 volts, or 0.11 volts now. So yeah, I pretty much can't get it any lower than that. It was kind of at 0.109, 108, but as it's warmed up, it's kind of gone a little bit higher. But yeah, it's 0.111. It's about the best I can get it. Linearity, I can't exactly compare it to how it previously looked, but yeah, it looks close to the same. It might actually be looking slightly better come to think of it, it does actually looks slightly better. Well, at least it seems to be slightly better, but I can't say for sure. Something that's bugging me at the moment though, I can see the picture is kind of slightly expanding and contracting. I wonder what actually might be causing that. So yeah, I'll have to ask John on that one, find out what he says. Alrighty, next thing I'm going to try, getting off the horizontal linearity issue, I'm going to try adjusting the focus control here, because I notice there's a focus control potentiometer on the circuit diagram. I'm going to adjust that and see if it would actually improve the focusing of the picture. So I'll give that a go and see what happens. Alrighty, stay tuned for the next video and I'll let you know the result of adjusting the focus control. This is Troy from Troy's Visual Arts channel signing out.